Mr. President, this is such an honor, and it's so exciting. And Africa House is a project that I know all Africans will be looking forward to. And it will be a place, when completed, that we Africans can connect, collaborate and dialogue, and also build partnerships across culture, business, and innovation. So, Mr. President, let me thank you. Thank you for your leadership, your vision, and your love for Africa. I think it's about time, Mr. President, that we start giving you chieftaincy titles in Africa. Chief President Macron. So let me thank you. On behalf of the African business community, Mr. President, you said it, this is such a huge project for us, and we will do everything possible, to support it. And I'm sure the African business community, stands ready, committed, and we will mobilize all the necessary support to ensure its success. Thank you so much, Mr. President.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Please, a picture quickly, and thank you.
Sunday, I'll take a picture. Thank you.
How are you?